Mentality simply means trying to be the best version of yourself. That's what the mentality means. It means every day, you're trying to become better. And it's a
Welcome back to the Out of Sight Sports YouTube series, where we dive deep into the world of sports with a fresh perspective. You're watching episode 21, and today, we're tackling a story that's as fast-paced off the field as it is on. We're talking about Kansas City Chiefs wide receiver Rashee Rice and the high-speed crash that's put him in the headlines. Stick around as we break down the events, the aftermath, and what this means for Rice and the NFL. Also, make sure to like this video, as it will help the video do better in the YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's get to the story. Rice, a 23-year-old wide receiver for the Kansas City Chiefs and a recent Super Bowl champion, found himself in legal trouble following a high-speed crash last month in Dallas. Rice voluntarily turned himself into the Glen Heights Police Department after an arrest warrant was issued. The incident, which occurred on March 30th, involved a Corvette and a Lamborghini speeding on North Central Expressway in Dallas. According to police reports, the drivers lost control, resulting in the Lamborghini, driven by Rice, striking a median wall and triggering a multi-car collision. Remarkably, the occupants of both sports cars fled the scene without checking on the victims of 4 other vehicles involved. Following his surrender, Rice was transported to the DeSoto Regional Jail and subsequently released on bond. His attorney, Texas State Senator Royce West, has been vocal about Rice's cooperation with the authorities from the beginning. West's office released a statement emphasizing Rice's acknowledgement of his actions and his remorse for those injured in the accident. In an attempt to address the situation publicly, Rice took to Instagram to express his apologies and his intent to fully cooperate with law enforcement. He wrote, "I take full responsibility for my part in this matter and will continue to cooperate with the necessary authorities. I sincerely apologize to everyone impacted in Saturday's accident." Dallas police have also implicated another driver, Theodore Knox, aged 21, who was allegedly speeding alongside Rice. Knox has not yet been taken into custody, and the same charges have been levied against him as against Rice. The investigation, as stated by Dallas Police Chief Eddie Garcia, is ongoing and will be conducted thoroughly and fairly, emphasizing that there is no fixed timeline for its completion. Garcia assured the public and victims that justice would be served without undue pressure. Meanwhile, the NFL and the Chiefs are closely watching the developments of this case. Chiefs President Mark Donovan spoke on Kansas City radio, urging patience and prudence, highlighting the need to gather all facts before the team can formulate an appropriate response. Fortunately, early indications suggest that no serious injuries resulted from the crash, a point of some relief amid the concerning developments. As this situation continues to unfold, the legal proceedings and investigations will likely provide further clarity on the events of that day and what consequences, if any, Rice and potentially Knox will face. And, with that, that's all I have for today's episode. Thank you for joining in, as your support is greatly appreciated. Make sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons if you enjoyed the video. If not, all good. Make sure to also find us on social media on Twitter at OOS Sports and at Out of Sight Sports on Instagram and TikTok. See you next time and have a blessed day.